guys, welcome to Facebook Live, One Potato. We do it every Tuesday at 5 o'clock, going through the one potato box, seeing what's in it. But I want to start this week because there's a lot happening in Los Angeles right now. One Potato is a Los Angeles-based business, and a lot of the people that work at One Potato live in Los Angeles and the community right now. There are really horrible fires going on everywhere, so I just want everyone out there to know, One Potato, we're trying to do our best, also helping the community with needs of any kind, whether it be food or financial. I think we're all just sort of waiting and watching, seeing what's happening. But I just want to acknowledge that because that's obviously really important, just being a Los Angeles-based business. So today we're making burrito bowls. If you guys have never made burrito bowls, they're one of my favorite meals, one of our family's favorite meals. One of the things about One Potato is we try to do as many DIY meals as possible, just because it makes it a lot more fun, makes it easy if you have a picky eater, or like my son Kenya is a vegetarian. So you're able to enjoy the meal, make the meal, but it's that sort of fun DIY experience. So it's also really easy. So I can show you, here's all the ingredients, and actually we've got some beautiful organic butter lettuce. Just remember, you guys, we're going to be doing a giveaway today. So all you have to do in the comments below, and I'll show you the beautiful organic lettuce right there. All you have to do in the comments below is tell me what is your favorite Mexican dish. Because I always tell you guys that if you leave it in the comments, sometimes it will end up showing up in One Potato meals. And if you guys have any questions while you're watching, this is One Potato, but obviously you could try to make it at home. The point is that getting a One Potato box makes your life so easy because all the recipes take 15 to 30 minutes. Everything comes right in the box. We send exact portions for your size family. So we start with 2 adults, and then you add every child. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4 children, they have a special price, $4.50. So it's $11.99 for adults. It just makes it, we try to make it that we don't want you to be spending too much money. We don't want you to have wasted food, but we want you to be eating organic. We want you to be eating healthy, and we want, most importantly, to make mealtime fun. So like one of the ingredients that we have are our black beans, and they're incredible. Instead of you buying canned beans or raw beans that you have to cook all day or in a pressure cooker, we send you our beautiful beans that are cooked and stewed with herbs and garlic and onions, and it's really one of the things that makes One Potato really unique and special. And mentioning unique and special, this is my special boy, my little vegetarian. And he's gone.
Oh, I'm still here.
You're still here, but you're gonna, okay, I didn't think so. He's going back to work. He didn't have school today because of the fire, so it's kind of crazy. What are you looking at? What are you doing? Okay, so I've got our black beans. I'm gonna put them on the stove right now, and over here, I've actually got some quinoa. So do you guys ever use quinoa or cook with quinoa? Sometimes we do brown rice because we're always trying to send whole grains. We want to make sure you're eating really nutritious, not so much white rice, really in grains that have a lot of nutrients to them. So you can see it's still cooking. I just put it on. It only takes about 10 minutes to cook. Woo, sorry. I'm like making the camera all steam. But that's quinoa. It's really nutritious, nutrient dense. It's high in protein. So even for Kenya, being a vegetarian, what's great is that I give him quinoa and black beans, so he's still, and cheese and sour cream, so he's still getting all the protein that he needs as a vegetarian. And then the chicken, which of course, did I get a pot? No, hold on. But you guys can look at question? Oh, did I do something? I turned it on. It's on. Everything's on. If you guys want to look, this is the item that we're giving away today. It's a Bentgo durable leak-proof lunchbox. So just leave me a comment. What is your favorite Mexican recipe in the comments below, and you'll have a chance to win, and we'll announce the winner at the end. Oh, sorry, I didn't get an extra pot. I'm trying to get one. Hold up. Okay, I did it. And then next is our chicken. So we are not sending you raw chicken this week. We send you our delicious, like simple, healthy stewed chicken. This is organic braised chicken. So you can see some of the herbs, and it's mainly white meat. We put a little bit of dark meat in there, but we're trying to always keep it nice and light and healthy. And so I just put it into a pot, and really all you're doing is having to warm it. So that's the thing, like instead of you going and buying chicken and taking the time to cook it and simmer it and make it as like juicy and light and easy as the one potato chicken, you can have it and we're making it for you. So that's the point. So I'm just trying to heat it. And I'm just gonna put, like, really just over low heat. That's what makes this meal really easy. And especially for a lot of parents that, you know, you may want a burrito, but you don't want the big whole tortilla. So it's fun because this is that, you know, you make your own bowl the way that you want it with all the extras. So now let's talk about the extras. And don't forget, leave a comment. What is your favorite Mexican dish in the comments below to win the Bingo lunchbox. And share, and share. See, I always have to have Kira's behind the camera, so she's telling me, she's like, share the video. I'm like, right, share the video. Don't forget to share the video, because sometimes I forget that stuff. But if you guys have any questions about one potato, you can throw them out. This is cheese, so, I mean, my kids, I don't know if about you, but my kids want cheese basically on everything. They love cheese. It's the one easy one. So the one potato cheese is different, and you're like, really? How's cheese different? But we grate it, and then instead of like tossing it with powder, which you would if you buy most cheese, that's, you know how it's so separated. It's like rolled in this corn starchy kind of mixture. That's what people always say. Is like they're like, what's different about your cheese? And we're like, because we hand grate it fresh, so it's really good. And then we send you homemade guacamole. So this isn't guacamole that's been sitting around in a package for weeks. We make everything fresh on Mondays, and then we ship it to you so that you're getting the freshest ingredients. And there are other meal kit companies out there, but the one thing I'll say about one potato is that, you know, we're sending you semi-prepared. So we still want you cooking and enjoying, you know, teaching your kids how to cook and the cooking experience, but we don't want it to take hours, like with every single ingredient. You know, we want you to learn how to do some things, but we want to help you on those other nights. And mentioning next week, you guys, if you haven't ordered a box yet for next week, if you're in one of our 8 states, which is California, Arizona, Nevada, Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Utah, order it for next week, because it's one of our recipes is a Hanukkah-inspired recipe. So even if you don't celebrate Hanukkah, it's really great. It's a great way to like celebrate and to talk about different traditions. And it's latkes, potato latkes and brisket. It's going to be unbelievable. But you can see, like, already, like, we're trying to always think ahead, and we really do. Like, we send you every like simple ingredients. Whole ingredients. There's nothing you're gonna ever get like out of a can or anything, you know, that you wouldn't want to eat. Everything that we try to do as fresh as possible. So here we've got some greens, because for me, I like to put some salad in my burrito bowl. It's just with the black beans and the chicken and everything together.
We have a question.
Yeah.
Ashley Ware asks, when will you guys be in the Chicago area?
Hi, Ashley. Ashley Ware asked, when are we going to be in the Chicago area? We're working towards it. I mean, One Potato has been growing really, really fast, but, you know, it's just a matter of, you know, we really wanted to focus on the West Coast for a while and really build it out. But the best part is, if you live anywhere outside of our 8 states, we have these incredible giveaways. Right now we have a Christmas giveaway. There's going to be 3 winners with a value of $4,000. Standing mixture from KitchenAid. There's a bread maker, shoes for your entire family, Devon Lee gorgeous jewelry. The list goes on and on. So check out our Instagram page to leave your email to, what do you call it? Enter to win. There you go. So what I was going to say is join our waiting list. You go to onepotato.com and join the waiting list so that you get to enter these free giveaways that we do every single month. And then as soon as we are in your area, you're already on the waiting list and you'll be top of the line to be able to get One Potato. So hopefully, was that a long way of telling you? Sorry, I digress a little bit. Okay, so then I've got the sour cream, and this is what I'm talking about. Like, this is when my kids come in and they're like, oh my God, it's so much fun getting to pick all this stuff. And can I tell you the greatest story? We got this story from a one potato family last week. Dad works full time, but often works from his house. And so sometimes he'll have business meetings at his house, and he'll offer to make lunch for people. And he said that people think he's like the most amazing cook because he makes them lunch for meetings, and then he just hides all the one potato wrappers and everything. And they're like, how did you learn how to make, like a light Indian curry or a chicken burrito bowl, or whatever it is that we're serving, chicken paella that week? And he's like, I don't know, that's how good I am. I mean, he probably is a good cook also, but I think the one potato helps him. But I loved that. I thought that was really, really cute and funny. And we love moms and dads and caregivers. Anyone in your family that can cook, and the kids especially. Send them your stories. Like, we love to hear any stories about, or pictures or videos of you making one potato, and really sharing your story, because your story and being part of the one potato community it's really fun for us. It's always like super exciting. Okay, and I will tell you guys, we're starting a few new amazing programs in January. So, you can sign up today. By the way, I'm using scissors to cut the cilantro. You don't always have to have a knife. I always think scissors are just like a fun way, and a great way even to get kids cooking. And you can keep the stems. The stems have tons of flavor in cilantro. But even if you've been wanting to try one potato but you haven't done it yet, you can sign up today and have your first delivery even in January. You schedule it. You pick the weeks that you want it. You pick how often you want it. And one potato, we send 2 or 3 meals every week. They're either omnivore, vegetarian, gluten-free, or nut-free. And you pick the recipes. So we have 5 base recipes every week, but then we have 3 one potato family favorites, which are so much fun. There are these 3 recipes. Like, one is spaghetti and meatballs, but it's either veggie meatballs or turkey meatballs. And then we have burger and fries with all the extras. And you can do turkey burgers, beef burgers, or vegetarian burgers, veggie burgers. I'm just looking behind me because I'm like, what is anything boiling over? No, it's good. And then we have a pan-roasted chicken meal that's really, really beautiful and simple. So you can see, I'm just like, look how easy this is, you guys. I'm not doing anything. You can see I've got the chicken. See? Like little chicken, and I can like break it up for everyone to put in later. But it's super, super delicious and easy. I mean, guys, I'm kind of done. I mean, that's it. I want to make it like more fancy, but wait till you see when everything's out. And sometimes I plate it, sometimes I just pull the bowls up. But here's the cards. Like, I'm telling you guys, look at this. These are all the ingredients. We also put the ingredient breakdown, so if you have any allergies or anything, full disclosure, we show you everything that's in every recipe, everything that comes in your bag. So all the recipes come in a bag, so you don't have to like float through looking for everything in your fridge. You just pull a bag out, you've got all the ingredients. And we do these step-by-step instructions. So if you don't know what you're doing, or you want someone else to do it, you can say, hey, here's the card. And then we have getting kids involved, tips for cooking, encouraging kids to try. And the point is, we want you cooking, but we really love it when we hear stories and people send us pictures on Instagram that are so amazing of just cooking with their families, or their kid cooking, or the excitement. Even over Thanksgiving, we had someone and their Thanksgiving box was coming, and when it arrived, their kid was so excited, like took a picture sitting on the box, and it was the cutest thing ever. You guys, I have not been talking about it a lot, but here we go. Bingo, kids. This is our giveaway item today. Just tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite Mexican-inspired recipe? So today we're doing chicken burrito bowls, and just share this video. Share this video with any friends on the West Coast. We're also doing gift cards. So if you want to do gift cards for business, people at work, or for friends, or whoever, whatever, we do gift cards. So you just get them at onepotato.com. And we're going to announce the winner in about 2 minutes. I just want to show you everything, and then I can make my burrito bowl, or I can just put everything out, because I love it. Chloe has a friend over, so it's great because we have a lot of food, so it's perfect. We have the perfect amount for tonight. Okay, I'm going to show you the beans, and look how much food you get. Like this is what the beauty of one potato. We're not just giving you like one or two things. We give you protein, we give you vegetables, we give you carbohydrate, but it's all like really nutrient dense, and that's a point. Look at it, doesn't it look like stuff? And I get to eat it. That's the best part. This is one of my favorite things about doing Facebook Live at 5 o'clock on Tuesdays is then my dinner's ready. That's it. Do we have a winner of the Binko lunchbox?
Whitney Bosch.
Whitney Bosch. And what was Whitney's favorite Mexican meal?
Green chili chicken enchiladas.
Green chicken chili enchiladas. Say that fast 5 times. Congratulations, Whitney. You guys, every Tuesday we do Facebook Live, so don't forget to watch and sign up. Tell friends. Share the video. There's a discount code right above, so you can see it's my personal discount that I'm offering to you guys. So sign up to get one potato now, or you can even wait, and start it in the holiday if you're trying to trudge through and then want to get back and get really healthy. And tell your friends, because we love it. We're a friendship family community, and so that's the way we want to help spread the word. See you guys next week. Bye.